Hello students, welcome to Sri Jayendra's Rank Zone classes. I am your friend and mentor for coming classes with respect to business mathematics and statistics. This is lecture number 40, chapter number 8, basic concepts of differential and integral calculus. Here, this is the chapter 8b, integral calculus. In this lecture, we will continue with the question number 21 of exercise 8b. Okay, let's start with the question number 21. Integration of x raised to x into 1 plus log x dx is equal to. So here consider x raised to x is equal to t. Okay. Take log both the side because there is a power x raised to power x to the power x. So take log. Log x raised to x is equal to log t. So it is x log x is equal to log t. Now take differentiation x into log x. So x 1 by x plus log x as it is dx by dx. Log t 1 upon t dt by dx. X cancel, 1 plus log x is equal to 1 upon t dt by dx. Here 1 plus log x into dx is equal to dt by t. Okay. So x raised to x into 1 plus log x dx is equal to x raised to x t into 1 plus log x dx is equal to dt, or you can write also as t into 1 plus log x dx is equal to dt, where t is equal to x raised to x 1 plus log x dx is equal to dt. So the whole function becomes dt. Okay. So integration of dt is equal to t is equal to x raised to x plus k. That is the answer. X raised to x plus k, or here you can also use c. Instead of k you can use x raised to x plus c. So option D is the right answer. Okay. Question number 22. If f of x is equal to under root 1 plus x square, then integration of f of x dx is equal to. So integration of 1 plus x square dx. There is one formula, integration of x square plus x a square dx is equal to x by 2 integration under root x square plus s square plus a square by 2 log mod x plus under root x square plus a square plus c. So integration of under root 1 plus x square dx is equal to x by 2 x by 2 under root x square plus 1 plus a square by 2 1 by 2 log mod x plus under root 1 plus x square or x square plus 1 plus c or plus k. Okay. So x by 2 under root 1 plus x square plus 1 by 2 log mod or log x plus under root x square plus 1 plus k, that is option B. Okay, option B is the right answer of question number 22. Now move to the question number 23. Integration of x square plus 1 upon under root x square plus 2 dx. There is a mistake, d is here. Okay, dx. Okay, so x square plus 1 under root x square plus 2. So here you can write x square plus 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, x square under root x square plus 2 dx. Here x square plus 2 under root x square plus 2 minus dx minus 1 upon under root x square plus 2 dx. So x square plus 2 here under root x square plus 2 cancel. So it becomes under root x square plus 2 dx minus under root 1 upon x square plus 2 dx. Under root x square plus 2 dx here one formula 1 upon under root x square plus s square dx is equal to log mod x plus under root x square plus s square plus c. So here under root x square plus s square dx and under root x square plus s square dx is equal to x by 2 under root x square plus s square plus s square by 2 log mod x plus under root x square plus s square plus c. Okay, using these both properties we can write x by 2 under root x square plus 2 plus 2 by 2 log mod x plus under root x square plus 2 minus log mod x plus under root x square plus 2 plus c or k, both are constant, k is used, so plus k, 2 by 2 cancel, log plus log minus log cancel, so x by 2 under root x square plus 2 plus k is the answer. So x by 2 under root x square plus 2. So option D is the answer, none of this. Now move to the question number 24. E raised to x plus e raised to minus x whole square into e raised to x minus e raised to minus x dx is. Take e raised to x plus e raised to minus x is equal to t. So d by dx of e raised to x plus e raised to minus x is equal to dt by dx. d e raised to x, so e raised to x minus e raised to minus x is equal to dt by dx. So e raised to x minus e raised to minus x dx is equal to dt is equal to integration of t square into dt. So t cube by 3 plus k. Now put the value of t. T is equal to e raised to x plus e raised to minus x. So e raised to x plus e raised to minus x cube by 3 plus k. So 1 by 3 e raised to x plus e raised to minus x, here minus x cube plus k. So option A is the right answer. Okay. Question number 25. 0 to a f of x plus f of minus x dx is equal to. This question is for you, so do it yourself. Using the properties. Okay. This is very easy question. Now move to the question number 26. X e raised to x upon x plus 1 whole square dx is equal to. E raised to x, instead of x we can write x plus 1 minus 1 upon x plus 1 whole square dx is equal to e raised to x plus 1 upon x plus 1 whole square minus 1 upon x plus 1 whole square dx is equal to e raised to x plus 1 x plus 1 cancel, so 1 upon x plus 1 minus 1 upon x plus 1 square dx. So here e raised to x 1 upon x plus 1 plus minus 1 upon x plus 1 square dx. So this is the form of f of x is equal to 1 upon x plus 1. F dash x becomes minus 1 upon x plus 1 whole square. Okay. So here this is the form of e raised to x f of x plus f dash x dx. So the answer is e raised to x into f of x. So here f of x is 1 upon x plus 1, 1 upon x plus 1 plus k. So e raised to x upon x plus 1 plus k. Option A is the right answer of question number 26. Now move to the question number 27. X raised to 4 plus 3 by x dx is equal to. So x raised to 4 plus 3 by x dx is equal to x raised to 4 dx plus 3 constant 1 upon x dx. X raised to 4, so x raised to 5 by 5 plus 3. 1 upon x means log mod x plus c. So x raised to 5 by 5 plus 3 log mod x plus c, or you can use k. So it is the option B is the answer. Option B is the answer of question number 27. Now move to the question number 28. Integration of, evaluate the integration of 1 minus x cube by x dx, and the answer is equal to. So 1 minus x cube by x dx. So here you can use a minus b whole cube, a cube minus 3ab, a plus b minus b cube. Using this formula, simplified the 1 minus x cube, 1 minus 3x plus 3x square minus x cube upon x dx is equal to 1 by x dx minus 3 x by x dx plus 3 x square by x dx minus x cube by x dx. 1 by x dx, it means log mod x minus x cancel, 1x cancel, again 1x, so it becomes x square. Log mod x minus 3x plus 3x square by 2 minus x cube by 3 plus k. This is the answer. So it is log mod x minus 3x plus 3x square by 2 minus x cube by 3. So option D, none of these. Okay. Now move to the question number 29. The equation of the curve in the form y is equal to f of x. If the curve passes through the point 1, 0 and f dash x is equal to 2x minus 1 is. So here f dash x is given 2x minus 1. Y is equal to f of x and point is 1, 0 or x, y. So here f of x is equal to integration of f dash x dx. 2x minus 1 dx is equal to integration of 2x dx minus 1 dx. 2x dx, x square by 2 minus x plus k. 2 cancel. So it is x square minus x plus k. But we don't know about k. Here one point is given 1, 0. So put the value into this equation. Y is equal to x square minus x plus k. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 0. 0, 1 minus 1 plus k. So k is equal to 0. So y is equal to x square minus x plus 0 is equal to x square minus x. So f of x becomes x square minus x. So option A is the right answer, x square minus x. Question number 30. Integration of evaluate 1 to 4 2x plus 5 dx and the value is. Very simple. Integration of 1 to 4 2x plus 5 dx. So 1 to 4 2x dx plus 1 to 4 5 dx. Here two constant x square by 2 1 4 plus 5 constant dx x 1 to 4. Two constant x square, so 4 square minus 1 square plus 5 4 minus 1 2 cancel 16 minus 1 5 into 3 5 3s are 15. So 15 plus 15 is equal to 30. So option C is the right answer of question number 30. Now move to the question number 31. 1 to 2 2x 1 plus x square dx. So here you can see d by dx of 1 plus x square is equal to 0 plus 2x. Okay, is equal to 2x. So 2x is there. This form is f dash x upon f of x dx form. So log mod f of x plus c is the form. Okay, so here limit is given, so log 1 plus x square 1 to 2, so log 1 plus 2 square minus log 1 plus 1 square, log 2 square 1 plus 2 square 4 plus 1 5 minus log 1 plus 1 2. So it becomes log 5 by 2. So option A is the right answer, log 5 by 2. Question number 32. 0 to 4 under root 3x plus 4 is equal to. So here 0 to 4 under root 3x plus 4 dx is equal to 0 to 4 3x plus 4 raised to 1 by 2 dx. So you can write 3x plus 4 1 by 2 plus 1 1 by 2 plus 1 d by dx of 3x plus 4 0 to 4. Three x plus 4 1 by 2 plus 1 2 ones are 2 3 by 2. Here also 3 by 2, and d by dx of 3x is 3, 0 to 4. So 2 3 3s are 9. 3 into 4 plus 4 raised to 3 by 2 minus 3 into 0 plus 4 raised to 3 by 2. 2 by 9, 3 4s are 12 plus 4, 16 raised to 3 by 2 minus 3 0 plus 4 raised to 3 by 2. So you can write 2 by 9, 4 square, 3 by 2, 2 to cancel, minus 2 square, 3 by 2, 2 to cancel, 2 by 9, 4 4s are 16, 4s are 64, minus 2 2s are 4 2s are 8. So 2 by 9, 64 minus 8, it is 56. 56 into 2, 112, 9. So option B is the right answer, 112 by 9. Question number 33. 0 to 2 x plus 2 upon x plus 1 dx. 0 to 2 x plus 2 here you can write x plus 2 in the form of x plus 1 plus 1. X plus 1 divided by x plus 1 dx. 0 to 2 x plus 1 upon x plus 1 plus 1 upon x plus 1 dx. 0 to 2 1 dx plus 0 to 2 1 upon x plus 1 dx. 1 dx x 0 to 2 plus 1 upon x plus 1 log x plus 1 0 to 2. 2 minus 0 plus log 2 plus 1 minus log 0 0 plus 1. 2 plus log 3 minus log 1 is 0. Plus here use the constant c or k. Okay. 2 plus log 3 plus c. But here there is a limit. Okay, so we can't use the constant. Okay, no need to write the constant. 2 log 2 plus log 3. So option B (2 plus log 3) is the right answer. Next question, question number 34. Evaluate 1 into e square dx upon x 1 plus log x square, and the value is, here take the 1 plus log x is equal to t. So d by dx of 1 plus log x is equal to dt by dx. 1 0 plus 1 by x is equal to dt by dx. So dx by x is equal to dt. Take the limit. If x is equal to 1, then 1 plus log 1 is equal to t. So t is equal to 1. If x is equal to e square, then 1 plus log e square is equal to t. So 1 plus 2 is equal to t. So t is equal to 3. Okay, then now limit change. 1, 2, 3. dt by t square. So you can write t minus 2 dt, t minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1, 1, 2, 3 is equal to t raised to minus 3 minus 3, sorry, minus 2 plus 1, it means t raised to minus 1 minus 1, 1, 2, 3 minus 1 upon t, 1, 2, 3 minus 1 upon 3 minus 1 by 1 minus 1 minus 3 by 3 is equal to minus 2 by 3 minus plus. So it is 2 by 3. So the answer is 2 by 3, option D. Next question, question number 35. 0 to 4 x plus 1 into x plus 4 under root x dx. So first solve the x plus 1 into x plus 4. 0 to 4 x square plus 4x plus x plus 4 under root x dx. 0 to 4 x square plus 4x plus x, 5x plus 4 under root x dx. So 0 to 4 x square by under root x dx plus 5, 0 to 4 limit x by under root x dx plus 4, 1 upon under root x dx. Here 0 to 4 x raised to 2 minus 1 by 2 dx plus 5, 0 to 4 x raised to 1 minus 1 by 2 dx plus 4 integration 0 to 4 x raised to minus 1 by 2 dx. 0 to 4 x raised to 2 is 4 minus 1, 3 by 2 dx plus 5, 0 to 4 x raised to 1 by 2 dx plus 4, 0 to 4 x raised to minus 1 by 2 dx. Here x raised to 3 by 2 plus 1 upon 3 by 2 plus 1, 0 to 4 plus 5 x raised to 1 by 2 plus 1, 1 by 2 plus 1, 0 to 4 plus 4 x raised to minus 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1, 0 to 4. So it is 3 plus 2 by 2, 5 by 2. So it becomes 2 by 5 x raised to 5 by 2, 0 to 4, plus 5. 1 plus 2, 3 by 2, 2 by 3. It becomes 2 by 3 x raised to 3 by 2, 0 to 4, plus 1 minus 1 by 2, it is 2, 4 into 2 x raised to 1 by 2, 0 to 4, 2 by 5, 4 raised to 5 by 2 minus 0, plus 10 by 3, 4 raised to 3 by 2 minus 0, 4 2s are 8, 4 raised to 1 by 2 minus 0, 2 by 5, 2 square, 2 to cancel, 2 raised to 5, 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 2s are 32, plus 10 by 3, 2 square, 2 to cancel, 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, plus 2 square, 2 to cancel, 8 2s are 8 2s are 16. Two by 5, 32, plus 10 by 3, 8, plus 16. So 32 2s are 64, 10 8s are 80, plus 16. 64 into 3, plus 80 into 5, plus 16 into 15 by 15. 192 plus 400, 15 6 are 90, 240 by 15 is equal to 2 13 832 by 15. 5s are 55.46. So the answer is 55. So solution is 15 5s are 825 plus 7 by 15. It is 832 by 15. Okay. So option D is the right answer. 55 7 by 15. Okay. Next question. The equation of the curve which passes through the point 1 3 and has the slope 4x minus 3 at any point xy is. Here f dash x is given 4x minus 3. F of x is equal to integration of f dash x dx. Integration of 4x minus 3 dx. 4x dx minus 3 dx is equal to 4x dx, x square by 2 minus 3x plus k. Here one point is given 1 3. 1 3. So x is equal to 1, y is equal to 3. So y is equal to 4x square by 2, 2 2s are 4. So 2x square minus 3x plus k. 2x square minus 3x plus k. Y 3, 2, 1 square minus 3, 1 plus k. 3, 2 1s are 2 minus 3 plus k. 2 minus 3 minus 1. So k is equal to 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So the solution becomes y is equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 4. So option B is the right answer. Y is equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 4. Okay, this is the solution. Now, question number 37. The value of 223 f of 5 minus x dx minus 223 f of x dx is. Here you can use a to b f of x dx is equal to a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. So two to three f of 5 minus x dx as it is minus, instead of f of x dx we can write 2 to 3 f of 2 plus 3 minus x dx. So 2 to 3 f of 5 minus x dx minus 2 to 3 f of 5 minus x dx. Plus and minus cancel, so it becomes 0. So option B is the answer, 0. Now move to the question number 38. Integration e raised to x minus 1 upon x square dx is equal to. So you can write e raised to x as it is. So remember the formula, f of x plus f dash xx dx. So solution is e raised to x f of x. Okay. So using this formula, try to solve this question. Okay. So x upon x square minus 1 upon x square dx is equal to integration e raised to x 1 upon x minus 1 upon x square dx. E raised to x e raised to x 1 upon x plus minus 1 upon x square dx is equal to, this is the form of e raised to x f of x plus f dash x dx. Here f of x is equal to 1 upon x. So the answer is e raised to x into f of x plus c is equal to e raised to x 1 by x plus c over k. C. E raised to x into by x plus k. So option A is the right answer. Or you can use, instead of c, you can use k. Okay. So it becomes e raised to x by x plus k. Next question. Question number 39. E raised to x, again same. X log x plus 1 upon x dx, e raised to x log x by x plus 1 upon x dx is equal to e raised to x cancel, log x plus 1 upon x dx. Again same. Here f of x is log x and d by dx of log x is f of x is equal to log x, and f dash x is d by dx of log x is 1 by x. So here using the formula e raised to x f of x plus f dash x dx is equal to e raised to x f of x plus k. Same way, e raised to x f of x is log x, e raised to x log x plus k. So option A is the right answer for question number 39. Okay. Now move to the next question, question number 40. Log x square dx. See here, this is the not the log x whole square. This is the square of x. Okay. So take log x square into 1 dx. Log x square 1 dx minus d by dx of log x square 1 dx dx. Log x square 1 dx x minus 1 upon x square differentiation of x square again 2x 1 dx x dx x square cancel. So x into log x square minus 2 dx is equal to x into log x square minus 2x plus k. Here 2. So 2x log x minus 2x plus k. 2x common, log x minus 1 plus k. So option B is the right answer of question number 40. Next question, question number 41. 1 to 2 x log x dx. So using the u into v dx formula, log x as it is x dx 1 to 2 minus integration of d by dx of log x integration of x dx 1 to 2 log x square by 2 1 to 2 minus d by dx log x 1 upon x square by 2 dx 1 to 2. So x square by 2 log x 1 to 2 minus 1 by 2 1 x cancel, x 1 by 2 common, x square by 2 again, so it is x square by 2 1 to 2, 1 by 2 x square log x 1 to 2 minus 1 by 4 x square 1 to 2. So 1 by 2, now put your limit, 2 square 4 log 2 minus 1 log 1 minus 1 by 4, 2 2s are 4 minus 1. So it is 1 by 2, 1 log 1 is 0, so 4 log 2, 2 2s are 4 minus 1 by 4, 4 minus 1 is 3. So it is 2 log 2 minus 3 by 4. 2 log 2 minus 3 by 4. So option C is the right answer. Now next question, question number 42. 1 to 2 x square minus 1 upon x square e raised to x plus 1 by x dx. So is equal to 1 to 2 x square by x square minus 1 upon x square e raised to x plus 1 by x dx. X square cancel. So here 1 to 2 1 minus 1 upon x square e raised to x plus 1 by x dx. So take x plus 1 by x is equal to t. So d by dx of x plus 1 by x is equal to dt by dx. X is 1 minus 1 upon x square is equal to dt by dx. So 1 minus 1 upon x square dx is equal to put the limit x is equal to 1. So you will get 1 plus 1 by 1 is equal to t. So t is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Now x is equal to 2. 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to t. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5 by 2. So t is equal to 5 by 2. So the limit is 2 to 5 by 2 e raised to t dt. E raised to t is e raised to t as it is, 2 to 5 by 2 limit. So e raised to 5 by 2 minus e raised to 2. Now put, or you can write e 2 plus 1 by 2 minus e square is equal to e raised to 2 into e raised to 1 by 2 minus e raised to 2. E raised to 2 common, e raised to 1 by 2 minus 1, e raised to 2 root e minus 1. Now compare with the options. So e raised to so e square in the bracket under root e minus 1. So option A is the right answer. Okay. Now move to the question number 43. 0 to 2 3x square dx. Very easy question. Okay, so 3, 0 to 2, x square dx. 3 x square, it means x cube by 3, 0 to 2 is equal to 3 by 3. 3 3 cancel, x cube 0 to 2. Now put x is equal to 2 and 0. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8. 2 cube minus 0 cube. 8 minus 0 is equal to 8. So option C is the right answer. Now next question, question number 44. Evaluate 2 minus x e raised to x upon 1 minus x square dx. So take e raised to x. Instead of 2, write 1 plus 1 minus x, 1 minus x square dx. Arrange in the form of f of x plus f dash x. Okay, so e raised to x 1 minus x upon 1 minus x square plus 1 upon 1 minus x square dx is equal to e raised to x 1 upon 1 minus x plus 1 upon 1 minus x square dx. F of x is equal to 1 upon 1 minus x, then f dash x is equal to 1 upon 1 minus x square, minus 1 upon 1 minus x square, but again take the differentiation of minus x, d by dx of 1 minus x, so it becomes d by dx of 1 minus x, so minus 1 upon 1 minus x square, 1 0 minus x minus 1, it becomes plus, so 1 upon 1 minus x square. Okay, so here this is the form of e raised to x f of x plus f dash x dx. So here answer is e raised to x into f of x plus c or k. F of x is 1 upon 1 minus x, e raised to x by 1 minus x plus c or k. So e raised to x upon 1 minus x plus k is the answer. Option A is the right answer. Next question, question number 45. Using integration by parts, x cube log x dx, x cube into log x dx. So here using the u into v dx, log x as it is, x cube dx minus integration d by dx of log x integration x cube dx of dx is equal to log x raised to 4 by 4 minus integration 1 upon x raised to 4 by 4 dx, x raised to 4 by 4 log x minus x, 1 x cancel, x cube by 4, 1 by 4 integration of x cube dx is equal to x raised to 4 by 4 log x minus 1 by 4 x raised to 4 by 4 plus k. Is equal to x raised to 4 by 4 log x minus x raised to 4 by 16 plus k. Now compare with the options. X raised to 4 by 4 log x minus x raised to 4 by 16 plus k. Again rewrite the equation 16 common, 1 by 16 common. So 4 common, 4. So 4x raised to 4. So here x raised to 4 also common. 4 log x minus 1 plus k. So it is x raised to 4 by 16 common 4 log x minus 1 plus k. So option B is the right answer. Next question. Question number 46. Log x by x dx. So here take log x is equal to t. So log x 1 by x dx is equal to dt. So you can arrange this function. Log x dx by x. Here log x it means t, dx by x it means dt. Log t into 1. So here write log t integration of 1 dt minus integration of d by dt of log t integration of 1 dt is equal to log t 1 dt it means t minus 1 by t dt cancel. So t into log t minus t plus k. So t common, log t minus 1 plus k. Instead of t write log x. So log x log x minus 1 plus k. Now compare with the options. Log x minus 1 into log x plus k. So option C is the right answer. Next question. Question number 47. Integration of log x square into x dx is equal to. So here log x square integration x dx minus d by dx of log x square integration of x dx is equal to log x square by 2 minus d by dx log x square. So 2 log x, again take the differentiation 1 by x dx it means x square by 2 dx. 2 cancel, 1x cancel. So it is x square by 2 log x square minus integration of x into log x dx. X square by 2 log x square minus, again take the u into v dx formula. So u as it is, it means log x as it is, integration of x dx minus integration d by dx of log x integration of x dx dx is equal to x square by 2 log x square minus log x square by 2 minus 1 by x square by 2 dx. X cancel. X square by 2 log x square minus x square by 2 log x minus 1 by 2 x by 2 dx, 1 by 2 as it is, x square by 2. So it is x square by 2 log x square minus x square by 2 log x minus minus plus x square by 4 plus k plus k. So x square by 2 common, log x square minus log x plus 1 by 2 plus k. Now compare with the options. X square by 2 common, log x square minus log x plus 1 by 2 plus k. So option A is the right answer. Now move to the question number 48. Evaluate e raised to x minus e raised to minus x upon e raised to x plus e raised to minus x dx. So differentiation of e raised to x plus e raised to minus x is equal to e raised to x as it is plus e raised to minus x, d by dx of minus x is minus 1. So e raised to x minus e raised to minus x. This is the form of f dash x upon f of x dx. So log mod f of x plus k. So log f of x is e raised to x plus e raised to minus x plus k. Option B is the answer, log e raised to x plus e raised to minus x plus k. Question number 49. By the method of partial fraction, integration 3x upon x square minus x minus 2 dx. 3x upon x square minus x minus 2 dx. So you can write 3x upon x square minus 2x plus x minus 2 dx. So it is 3x, x common x minus 2 plus 1 common x minus 2 dx. 3x, x minus 2 into x plus 1 dx is equal to a upon x minus 2 plus b upon x plus 1 dx. So 3x is equal to a into x plus 1 plus b into x minus 2. Now put x is equal to minus 1 minus 3, a 0 plus b minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. So b is equal to 1. Now put x is equal to 2. 3 2s are 6. A 2 plus 1 3 plus b 0. So a is equal to 6 by 3. 3 2s are 6. A is equal to here in the integration a 2 upon x minus 2 plus 1 upon x plus 1 dx. Integration 2 upon x minus 2 dx plus integration 1 upon x plus 1 dx. 2 common, 1 upon x minus 2 dx plus 1 upon x plus 1 dx. 2 log x minus 2 plus log x plus 1 plus k. 2 log x minus 2 plus log x plus 1 plus k. So option A is the right answer. Last question, question number 50. If f dash x is equal to x minus 1, f dash x is given x minus 1, y is equal to f of x. Through the point 1, 0, xy point is given. So find the y. Okay. So here y is equal to f of x is equal to integration of f dash x dx. Integration of f dash x, x minus 1 into dx is equal to x dx minus 1 dx. It is x square by 2 minus x plus k. Here point is given 1, 0, x, y. Y is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. Put into this. 0 is equal to 1 square by 2 minus 1 plus k. So 0 is equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 plus k. 0 is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus k. So minus k is equal to minus 1 by 2. K is equal to 1 by 2. Put into the equation y. Y is equal to x square by 2 minus x plus k. Value of k is 1 by 2. So x square by 2 minus x plus 1 by 2. Now check with the options. Y square is equal to x square by 2 minus x plus 1 by 2. So option C is the right answer. Okay. So this chapter is over here. Part A is over here. Okay. Next time we will start with the part C. Okay. So remember all the formulas and properties carefully. Okay. So you can easily solve all the questions of integration. Okay. So bye bye. Take care.